Hi guys, welcome to Sharon Kids Debby Gabby. If you're not yet subscribed our channel, please do subscribe and click the bell icon. Without any further delay, let's get into the video. First, open the scratch window. Here, under motion, choose move 10 steps. In this, change 10 as 150. Next, choose turn right 15 degrees. In this, change 15 as 125. Under pen, choose pen down. Next, change pen color by 10. In this, change 10 as 30. Next, choose set pen size to 1. Here, change 1 as 10. Under motion, choose turn right 15 degrees. Finally, under events, choose when green flag is clicked. We are done with the coding. Let's run the program. Click the green flag continuously to get the final results. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please do subscribe our channel. Thank you.